Hi guys, welcome to today's Math Olympiad problem. Can you find the value of x in 5 power x is equals to 400? To solve this type of problem, first thing we have to observe is to check whether we can express the left and the right hand side to be in the same base. Yes, we have base 5 and power x and we have 400. The two cannot be expressed in the same base. So what we do is that we take the logarithm of both sides. So if you take the logarithm, log of 5 power x is equals to log of what? 400. Good. Since we have this, what do you observe? First thing we have to recall is that this law of logarithm, that whenever you have log m raised to power n, that is the same thing as n log m. Okay, if you agree with this law, so we can now simply multiply the power x to the logarithm. So we have it that x will be log 5 is equals to log 400. The next thing we have to do here is just to divide through by log 5. If you divide the left hand side by log 5, you have to divide this side by log 5. Then log 5 will cancel out log 5. We are left that x is now equal to log 400 over log 5. We need to simplify this properly. Then you see that 400 can be written as 16 times 25. So what do we take? We'll now say that we have it as log 25 times 16, then divided by log 5. Okay? The reason why we do that, we need just to simplify the log. Remember one of the laws of logarithm which says that whenever you are multiplying numbers in the same logarithm, like let's say number mn, that is the same thing as the logarithm of m plus the logarithm of n. If this rule is right, we are going to apply it here to simplify. So we have it that x will be equal to log of 25 plus log of 16 divided by log 5. To agree with this, we can now split this fraction. To split it, you know that whenever you have a plus b over c is the same thing as a over c plus b over c, keeping the denominator the same. So we can write this as log 25 divided by log 5, then plus log 16 divided by log 5. Okay? If you have this now, you can now see that 25 can be seen as 5 squared, right? So what do we have? We have it as log 5 squared over log 5 plus log 16 can be seen as 4 squared, right? Log 4 squared over log 5. To use this law again, since we have 5 power 2, so we bring down the 2, which is 2 log 5, 2 log 5 over log 5. Okay, then we have it as plus 2 log 4 over log 5. Okay, so that here, what do we have? We cancel out what? The what? We cancel out log 5. We have it that x is now equals to 2 plus 2 log 4 over log 5. Okay, so at this point, we use change of base, which says that whenever you have log m divided by log n, if you have this, that this is equals to log of number m of base n using change of base. So we apply it here, and this will now be equal to 2 plus 2 log. The base will now be 5, base 5 of 4. Okay, so this is actually the exact answer for what? X. So x is now equal to 2 plus 2 log of base 5 or 4. And that's the what? Answer. Okay. Now is now our duty to verify whether this particular solution we solved is right. Okay. So to verify, we put x back in the already existing equation, which is 5 power. We have it as 2 plus 2 log of base 5 of 4. Is it actually 400? That's what we want to check. So from this particular rule of exponent, we can split the fraction, meaning that you know that when you have a to the power of m times a to the power of n, you can just do a to the power of m plus n. So since you are having this addition, we can apply this law now. So what do you have? You have 5 squared times 5 power 2 log 5 base 4. Okay? So for it to be easy for us, we are going to apply this particular law in the exponents. What do we get? We are going to use this 2 now to multiply this. Okay? To raise 4. So which is 5 squared is 25. We have that already. Then times, we will now have 5 to the power of log of base of 400. That's what we want to verify. That will be 25 times. Whenever we have a common base, whenever we have a number raised to the same base in log, we just take the numbers in square. That will be 4 squared. So 4 squared is 16. What do we have? We have 25 times 16. 25 times 16 is 400. This shows that our answer is 100% right. Please like, comment, and share for more tips like this.